Friends, this question from N term April 28, 2024 ME paper. So, in this question, India currently imports all of its palm oil. The annual demand for the palm oil by Indian consumers is given by the demand curve. So, given the demand curve, Q equals to 2500 minus 2p. Demand function is given. Demand function of the palm oil India imports, where Q is the quantity of the palm oil in 1000 liters. So this one is important. Q is the quantity of the palm oil, which is in 1000 liters. And P is the market price. INR, that is rupees per liter. So the world producers can harvest and ship palm oil to Indian distributors at a constant marginal cost and average cost of, this one is also important, constant marginal cost and the average cost equal to given 100. So Indian distributors distribute at a cost of, that is price equals to 25 rupees per liter. Consider the market for palm oil to be competitive. The Indian government is considering a tariff on the palm oil. This one is important. Tariff on the palm oil import for, so tariff is also 25 rupees per liter. So that is INR, cost INR 25 per liter. Answer the following given sub questions. If there is no tariff, so what is the quantity demanded in 1000 liters? That is, they are asking find the quantity Q if there is no tariff. This is the demand function, right? The given. So always quantity Q, price P on the y-axis, demand function like this. So how to find these 2 points? This one is A and this point is B, that is intercept. Quantity Q equals to 0. So put Q equals to 0 in this equation. So that is 2P equals to 2500. That implies P equals to 2500 by 250. That is A equals to 0, 1250. And at B, price equals to 0. Quantity equals to 2500. The total cost paid by consumers equals to import cost plus distribution cost. So that is import cost equal to 100 rupees plus distribution cost is 25, that is 125 rupees. 100 rupees plus the price is distribution price. So the given, right? Tariff also 25 rupees. Tariff is also 25 and the price distribution is also this one. So Indian distributors can distribute at a cost of 25 rupees. That is total the marginal cost plus cost of distribution. So import cost, this one is marginal cost. So both that is P equals to 125 rupees. This is the market price of consumer. This is 125 rupees. So they are asking in this question, so find the quantity. That is at Q equals to without tariff. If we add tariff plus 25, so it becomes, price becomes 150 rupees. So without tariff, this value price is 125 rupees. So quantity they are asking, right? So using this demand function, find the quantity. 2500 minus q equals to 2500 minus 2p minus 2p, that equals to 2500 minus 2 times 125, that equals to 2500 minus 150 250, that equals to q equals to, so the quantity without tariff, so the quantity is 2250. So this is the answer for this question. This one correct. For the next question, this one, question number 2, if the tariff is imposed, how much consumer will pay for a liter of palm oil? So that is, they are asking price only, price, how much consumer will pay if we include the imposed the tariff. That is, without tariff price is 125, right? That is p equals to 125 plus tariff is given 25 rupees. Add tariff 25, that equal to 150 rupees. So answer for this question is 150 rupees. Okay, if tariff is imposed, the price is 150 rupees and the demand function is this one, 250 minus 2p, that is, so the quantity q equals to 2500 minus 2p, the given demand function, that is 2500 minus 2 times price equals to now 150 rupees, that equals to 2500 minus 300, that is, answer is 2200. For this question, answer is 2200 tariff. So next question is, what will be the lost consumer surplus due to imposed tariff? Equals to 2200 and the price equals to 150. So with tariff 2250 and price equals to 125. 2250 and price equals to 125. By using these values, we find the tariff, this value with the t, qt equals to 2200, 2250. Okay, this is 125. With tariff, the price equals to pt, with tariff pt 150. So this is the function 2500 minus 2p given in the question. This region 150 minus 125, 150 minus 125 times 2200 means this value, this rectangular box area 2200 plus this is the area plus half, that is triangular area, half times 150 minus 125, this value 2250 minus, so that is this value and this value, right? This area of triangle, this green color area, this green color triangular area, this one is green color triangular area. So this one is this rectangular box area. Okay, 2250 minus 2200 is 150 minus 25, 25 times 2200 plus half 25 times and this value equals to 55,000 plus 25 square 625 625. So total 55,625. This is the correct answer. Lost in consumer surplus. This is the lost in CS. This value is lost in consumer surplus. To find this region of area. Question is, so the tax revenue for the government will be in thousands. Tax revenue. So this one easy. They are asking this value. Tax revenue. Generally the revenue equals to P times Q. We write general revenue, right? General formula. Here the quantity with the tariff. So with the tariff is 25 rupees given in the question. With the tariff, quantity is this value 2200. That is 2200. If we multiply both, 1000. This is the answer for this question. Total tariff result in, they are asking to find the total tariff results in, that is, we subtract the tax revenue minus lost in consumer surplus. This is the formula. That is TR minus CS. Lost in consumer surplus. LCS. TR minus LCS. So TR equal to 55,000 minus 1000 minus lost in consumer surplus is 55,625. 625. So this is important. Minus results net loss for society. If it is plus, it is gain. If it is neutral value, neither loss nor gain. Okay, it is minus, so because net loss for the society. Friends, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.